These dishcloths are so soft and fluffy. So I use them for something that's a little more unconventional. I use them to blow my nose. So it is allergy season. I have a whole drawer of them. They were previously folded and super neatly in there, but my 3-year-old helped. Um, but these are the softest things. My nose ends up getting like really red and raw when I blow my nose a lot, and it tends to happen like right before I go to bed or right when I wake up. And these have been a game changer. I keep a wet bag by my bedside table for the dirty ones, but it helps so much, especially if you have a little one and their nose gets so raw. We use these all the time now, and we call them snot rags. They work so well. I've used them for cleaning too. I have some downstairs, and they work great for that too. Right now, I have 2 packs. I got this colored one and then this colored set, and I love them. They work really good, and especially as snot rags in our house.